For thousands of years, humans looked up at the sky and dreamed of flying, imagining a life where people could travel through the air like birds, even though this idea once seemed impossible and far beyond human ability. Many early inventors tried to build flying machines, but most of them failed because they did not fully understand how flight works. Everything changed in 1903, when two brothers from the United States, Wilbur Wright and Orville Wright, successfully built and flew the first powered airplane. Their aircraft, known as the Wright Flyer, stayed in the air for only a short time, but it was the first controlled and powered flight in history, marking the beginning of modern aviation. The Wright brothers did not succeed by chance. They spent years studying how birds fly and testing different designs, trying to figure out how to control movement in the air. They discovered that balance, control, and wing shape were the key factors that made flight possible. Their work helped build the foundation of modern aviation, which has continued to develop ever since. But the airplane was not created by one moment alone. Before the Wright brothers, inventors like Leonardo da Vinci imagined flying machines, and others like Otto Lilienthal tested gliders and helped scientists better understand the science of flight. These ideas slowly built up over time, leading to one of the greatest inventions in human history. Today, airplanes are a normal part of life. They allow people to travel across the world in just a few hours, connect distant countries, and move goods quickly from one place to another. Millions of people depend on air travel every day, whether for work, study, or visiting family. But now imagine something different. Imagine waking up tomorrow in a world where airplanes do not exist. There are no airports, no flights, and no fast way to travel across continents. If you wanted to travel from Europe to Asia, it could take weeks or even months by ship. International travel would become rare, expensive, and much more difficult. In such a world, global connection would be weaker. Cultures would develop more separately, and it would be harder for people to meet, share ideas, and understand each other. Businesses would move more slowly, and many modern industries would not exist in the same way. The world would feel larger, slower, and more isolated. Even everyday life would change. Fresh food from distant countries would be harder to find, and emergency services, such as delivering medical supplies, would take much longer. The speed of modern life, which we often take for granted, would be very different. The invention of the airplane did not just change transportation. It changed how humans experienced the world. It made distant places feel closer, and it allowed people to explore, connect, and share knowledge in ways that were never possible before. The airplane is more than just a machine, because it represents one of humanity's greatest achievements, turning a simple dream of flying into a reality that has completely transformed the way we live.